Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Silver did sell off a little bit further in the last few days. That was in line with expectations and the last videos as well, because we talked about a potential top in place here for the B wave and that we could now finally come down in this C wave of a wave 2. And in this video, I want to share with you my micro count here of this C wave to the downside. Quick reminder, the perspective here is that silver rallied in a wave 1 here off the March low to the May high, in a wave 1, a 5-wave move. And now we're correcting this move in a very complex correction. I am counting it as an A wave, which bottomed in June, a B wave, which topped in August, and now a C wave to the downside. One thing I don't like about this structure is that this B wave, in this B wave, obviously we also have an ABC structure highlighted in yellow here, that the C wave ended below the A wave. That could hint at the development of a triangle, basically that this B wave unfolds as triangle. It's a bit too early to confirm that, but I keep it in mind, something I'm watching for. In a more straightforward way, the C wave in white would sell off a little bit further, deeper into the support area, ideally into the region between $21.17 and $22.20, because ideally we want to get below $22.20 because we want this C wave to end below the low of the white A wave. Now, looking at the microstructure, you know most likely that a C wave is always a 5-wave move. It has to be. If we don't get 5 waves, then we might really be dealing with a triangle, because in a triangle, each of the subwaves is corrective. So we're dealing with 3-wave structures in a triangle. Okay, so how does that look? So my best view of this is that price started to come down here on the 30th of August in a wave 1. Retraced in a wave 2 to the upside, is still in circle wave 3. Then we should get a wave 4 and a wave 5 at some point, and that should complete the C wave of wave 2. And then we might be looking at another rally from here. But at the moment, it doesn't look finished. It looks unfinished, because also here in the circle wave 3, we seem to be working on 5 waves down. Haven't got 5 waves down. We've got a 1, we've got a 2. All of this is another 5-wave move in wave 3. This wave 4 might be complete, and then one more low in a wave 5. This wave 4 was rather shallow. We can just double check that. I think it was very, very shallow. So I cannot rule out that this wave 4 might extend a little higher. Let me add the 23.6 fib level, normally the minimum expectation in a wave 4. And okay, that was actually touched, as you can see here. Yeah, and we can argue or we can discuss where the wave 4 top potentially was, but it certainly touched within the wave 4 the 23.6 fib level. It's basically the minimum expectation. And if the top is in, then we should move down lower, probably next week, below the low of the third wave. So below $22.81, and then finish off this 5th wave of a third, then get a 4th and a 5th. But again, it could be that this 4th wave is still extending. It was a very shallow wave 4, not a very healthy wave 4, but also the wave 2 was very, very shallow, as you can see here. But that's sort of my best view. Let's assume this wave 4 has topped. What would be a target for circle wave 3? First of all, I would pay attention here to the Fibonacci extension levels. And I will have to add the 300%. So it already reached the 300% extension level. Best I can give you now is the $22.40 level, which basically is the 3.618 extension level for wave 5 of wave 3. If we get there, pay attention to it. The other support is just below it, larger degree support at $22.20. So I assume this circle wave 3 should reach the area between $22.20 and $22.43. Yeah, that's just a quick update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.